Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're looking at 2 fast and easy ways to fix engine misfire without changing spark plugs. Right now, if your engine is shaking, hesitating, or feeling weak, your instinct might be to replace plugs, coils, or rush to a mechanic. But in real life, your misfire is far more likely to be caused by a fuel problem or an airflow problem than by ignition. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 2 simple fixes that often make an engine run smoothly again. And in many cases, you can do both in less than an hour. These aren't guesswork repairs. They target the 2 systems that actually cause most everyday misfires in modern cars. If you try these first, you can avoid unnecessary repairs, save money, and possibly fix your car without touching a single spark plug. If you want to stop wasting time and start fixing the real problem, this video is for you. The first method will help in restoring proper fuel delivery. The second method is fixing airflow and sensor problems. If you follow these in the right order, you give yourself the best chance of solving the misfire without replacing spark plugs and without wasting money. Before we get into the fixes, let's make sure we understand what a misfire really is. An engine misfire happens when one or more cylinders fail to ignite the air-fuel mixture at the right time. Instead of a smooth burn that pushes the piston down, you get an incomplete or skipped combustion event. You feel this instantly as shaking, rough idle, hesitation, or loss of power. Sometimes the check engine light comes on. Sometimes it flashes, which is a serious warning. Sometimes it stays solid. Either way, the car is telling you something is off. Most misfires fall into 3 categories: ignition problems like spark plugs or coils, fuel problems like clogged injectors or weak pressure, and air or sensor problems like dirty MAF sensors or vacuum leaks. People jump straight to spark plugs because that's the most familiar cause, but in real life, fuel and air issues are incredibly common. Let's start with the first and often most effective fix. Method 1 is fixing fuel delivery problems. Your engine needs the right amount of fuel at exactly the right moment. If fuel is uneven, weak, or partially blocked, the engine can misfire even if your spark plugs are brand new. Fuel injectors are one of the biggest hidden problems. Their job is to spray a fine mist of fuel into each cylinder. Over time, they get coated with carbon, varnish, and microscopic debris from gasoline. Even a slightly clogged injector can disturb combustion enough to cause hesitation or rough running. The fastest way to address this, without removing anything from your engine, is using a fuel injector cleaner additive. You pour it into your gas tank, fill up, and then drive normally. As you drive, the cleaner circulates through the system and dissolves buildup inside the injectors. This works best when your misfire is mild, when the car hesitates more than it violently shakes, or when the problem develops gradually instead of suddenly. Many drivers notice smoother idle and better throttle response after 1 full tank of treated fuel. Now, this isn't magic. If an injector completely fails, the cleaner won't fix it. But for everyday buildup-related misfires, this step alone can make a big difference. The next fuel issue that causes misfires is a clogged fuel filter. The fuel filter's job is to keep dirt and debris out of your injectors. Over time, that filter can become partially blocked, reducing fuel pressure. When fuel pressure drops, the engine can run lean, meaning there's too much air and not enough fuel in the cylinders. Lean conditions commonly trigger misfires, especially under acceleration. Now let's move to the second method, which is just as important. Method 2 is fixing air intake and sensor problems. Engines don't just need fuel, they also need clean, properly measured air. If the air side is wrong, combustion suffers even with perfect spark. Start with the air filter. A severely clogged filter can restrict airflow into the engine. When airflow is restricted, the engine computer tries to compensate, but sometimes the balance gets off, especially at idle or acceleration. Replacing or cleaning your air filter is one of the easiest things you can do. It may not fix a severe misfire alone, but it supports everything else. The real game changer in this method is cleaning the mass airflow sensor, also called the MAF sensor. This tiny part measures how much air is entering the engine. Based on that reading, the computer decides how much fuel to inject. If the MAF sensor is dirty, it sends bad information, and that alone can cause misfires. Cleaning it is simple. Turn off the engine, unplug the sensor, remove it carefully, spray only MAF sensor cleaner on the delicate element, and let it air dry completely before reinstalling it. Never touch it with your fingers and never use brake cleaner or compressed air. A clean MAF sensor often makes the engine feel dramatically smoother almost immediately. Many misfires disappear simply because the computer finally gets accurate airflow data again. Another common cause of misfires is vacuum leaks. This happens when extra unmetered air sneaks into the engine through cracked hoses or loose connections. That extra air throws off the air-fuel ratio and causes uneven combustion. Now, let's be real about spark plugs. Even though this video shows you how to fix misfires without replacing them, spark plugs do wear out. They are still one of the most common causes of misfires, especially on older or high-mileage cars. If you've already cleaned injectors, replaced your fuel filter, cleaned the MAF sensor, fixed vacuum leaks, and cleaned the throttle body, and your misfire is still there, then the problem is more likely ignition-related. At that point, worn spark plugs or a failing ignition coil are very likely. But the key point is this: too many people replace spark plugs too early without checking fuel and air first. That wastes money and doesn't always solve the problem. Some misfires are more serious and require professional help. If your engine is shaking violently, stalling, or the check engine light is flashing, you should stop driving and get the car checked immediately. This can indicate severe problems like low compression, worn valves, or major fuel system failure. Using an OBD2 scanner can also help you identify which cylinder is misfiring and guide your next steps. Codes like P0300 or P0301 point you in the right direction. Prevention is just as important as repair. You can reduce future misfires by using fuel injector cleaner occasionally, replacing air and fuel filters on schedule, inspecting vacuum hoses, cleaning your MAF sensor from time to time, and keeping your throttle body clean. Using quality fuel also helps reduce carbon buildup inside the engine. At the end of the day, engine misfires don't always mean bad spark plugs. In many cases, you can fix them by restoring proper fuel delivery and restoring proper airflow and sensor accuracy. By cleaning injectors, replacing restricted filters, cleaning the MAF sensor, fixing vacuum leaks, and maintaining your throttle body, you give your engine exactly what it needs to run smoothly again. If none of that works, then you can confidently move on to spark plugs and coils, knowing you've already eliminated the most common fuel and air problems. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. And also, check out our other video on how to clean the oxygen sensor without removing the sensor. The link will be in the description below.